So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your Apple Pencil Pro's squeeze gesture just isn't working. So maybe you're going through and trying to go and like squeeze on the side of your Apple Pencil Pro, but for some reason it's not working when you're squeezing it. Now the main way to go and fix this problem is to make sure, number one, that your Apple Pencil is connected to your particular iPad. If you're able to go through and swipe between the pages of your particular iPad just like this and everything seems to be working, then it's good. But if that isn't even working, then you may want to repair your iPad to your Apple Pencil by just going through and connecting this to the top portion of your iPad right here and making sure they discover each other. Now, another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that squeeze gesture is enabled within your settings. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to your settings application of your particular iPad, just like so. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to tap into this squeeze panel. So you want to go into your settings. You want to scroll down until you see Apple Pencil, which is right here. So scroll down, click into Apple Pencil. Then what you're going to want to do is that there's this little option under Actions that says Squeeze. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on Squeeze, and right here is going to show you a few things. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that this is not on off, because if this is off, then when you squeeze this, nothing's going to happen, so it's not going to vibrate. You want to make sure this is set to whatever you want it to basically do. So if you basically, click those, if you squeeze it and you want it to do one of these things, you can go and kind of choose whatever one you want. You can even set it to a shortcut, which is pretty crazy. But you can modify this whichever way you want to, and that's basically how it's done for the most part. It's a pretty basic process, but that's basically how you get it to work. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.